Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. In this video, we're going to practice solving integers, but we're going to use a number line to find our solutions. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to do is let's look at this number line and notice where the 0 is. Okay, so all the numbers above the 0 are positive, all the numbers below are negative. So I like to look at 0 as sea level. So if you're below sea level, you're going to have negative numbers. And then if you're above sea level, they'll be positive. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the first one. It says 4 plus negative 3. So when it's positive that we're adding with a negative, the positive, we're going to go up. But from 4, we're going to go down 3. Now, we're not counting lines, we're counting spaces. So it's 1, 2, 3, and I ended up at 1. So the answer would be 1. All right, so we're going to do one more example for this video. So as I said before, we always want to start at 0, 0, which this is our 0. And if you have negative, you're going to go down. So the first one says negative 3, so we're going to go down to negative 3, and from there we're going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we ended up at negative 8. I really like to connect these problems to owing money. If you borrowed $3 from someone and then the very next day you borrowed $5 more, well, you now owe them 8. However, it's easier to see it too on a number line. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe.